You're on a bike tour, or have just returned from one, and you can't wait to use your GoPro footage. But this doesn't look like you remember it. This is so bad. Shouldn't it be more like this? Where is that smooth cinematic footage that GoPro shows you in their marketing clips? So how do we get this footage to look like this footage? The answer is GoPro Labs. GoPro Labs is a firmware that is available on the GoPro Labs website for download. I provided a link to the firmware down below in the description. Now let's get started. While not absolutely required, you can purchase a high-speed micro SD card like this. The SanDisk Extreme Pro allows you to record at a much higher bit rate and ensures recording stability. Plug a formatted SD card into your PC or Mac. Then open your browser and navigate to the GoPro Labs website shown on the screen and below. Click on your GoPro model and the firmware download will start. Then open up the zip file and copy the update folder to the root folder of your GoPro's SD card. Next, insert the SD card back in your GoPro along with a fully charged battery and turn on your GoPro. You will see the message updating on the screen, and when it's done, the Update Complete message will appear before it reboots for the final time. Your GoPro is now ready to use with the Labs installed on it. Okay, now that GoPro Labs is installed, it's time to start scanning some QR codes. Click on the Download Me link in the description below, and this will take you to a Google folder that will provide you some assets we can use. Next, right-click on the Download Me zip file and then select Download. The zip file will be downloaded to your usual Downloads folder. Extract all the files to a device where the QR codes can be scanned by your GoPro. I've also included 2 PDF documents in the extracted files. GoPro preset icons used for creating custom presets with Labs, and GoPro QR codes, which contains information on each of the QR codes. You should open up the QR codes PDF to review the changes you will be making here. You should also check to see if your GoPro is in Pro mode by swiping down and to the left to access the settings, and change it to Pro mode if it's not already in it. So now that you have the record assets, let's start scanning the GoPro QR codes. Turn on your GoPro and then point it at the metadata reset QR code first. The GoPro will beep and then ask you to confirm by pressing the record button 3 times quickly. Then the GoPro will shut down as it applies the reset. Each time you scan a QR code, you'll see a check mark on the GoPro screen. Continue this process until all the QR codes labeled with a 1 are scanned. To make the setup easier, I've set up 3 QR codes to create custom presets for 24, 60, and 120 frames per second. Just scan the biking 1 to 3 presets described in the QR code document. Once you've scanned all 3 codes, open up the presets on your GoPro or in the app. If you do not shoot in log, simply edit each preset and change the profile from log to either standard or HDR. That's it. We're done with setting up the GoPro with Labs. Okay, let's head out with the GoPro and use several camera mounting techniques and see what the footage looks like.
Tight found.
There you go. Easy to implement this fix, and now you can get out there biking and start filming your rides with confidence.